Hi, I'm Dr. Praveen. I'm a physician and also a chest specialist. I'm working at Citizens Hospital, Hyderabad. Today I'm going to talk briefly about asthma, and more importantly, I'm going to talk about how to use an inhaler device called a turbohaler, Symbicort turbohaler. So let's talk briefly about asthma here. So as you all know, asthma is a very common problem. It's not just in kids that we see asthma, but any age group we can see patients with asthma. Asthma is actually, in simple terms to say, it is an allergy of the lungs. Okay, so what happens is that the lungs are hyper reacting. They are reacting more than what is essential to the external environment. Usually asthma is triggered by certain factors like cold air, dust, smoke, pollution, perfumes. So there are many things which can trigger an asthma attack in a person who has this allergic tendency. So symptoms in asthma are cough, breathlessness, meaning difficulty in breathing, and wheeze. Wheeze is nothing but that fine musical cat crying sound which we get from the chest when we have an attack of asthma. And also any tightness in the chest where it is very difficult to breathe. These are the 4 symptoms. I will repeat again: cough, breathing problem, wheezing, and chest tightness. These are the 4 symptoms of asthma. And with if these symptoms develop when a person gets exposed to any of these triggers I've already mentioned, then the diagnosis of asthma is more certain. And when patients with asthma go to see a doctor, the doctors do prescribe inhalers. The common ones are where you have a pump where you put it in your mouth and you press a device on the top where a mist-like medicine will come into your mouth. That is one form of inhaler. The other one is where you have a capsule. You have to put it in different kinds of devices, and then you inhale from that device. Now there is a third inhaler what I'm trying to show you today. It's called a turbohaler. This device is quite different. The reason it is different is because of 2 reasons. One, it is a single device which contains the medicine and also a delivery mechanism. Okay, unlike there are 2, like a capsule is separate and a machine is separate. Unlike that, there is a single device in which both the medicine and the delivery mechanism is there. The second advantage is that Symbicort, which contains the medicine, it is unique in a way that the same medicine can be used not just to maintain your asthma and control, like using morning and night regularly as advised by your doctor, but also if you have an attack of asthma, or if you think that your symptoms are developing, even though you are taking regular treatment, in interval period you are developing new symptoms again, you can use the same device. Now let me show you how to use this device. Once you remove the packing wrap over it, this is how the device will look. So if you unscrew the cap comes out. After you use the device, you have to screw the cap again and put it in place. So the way to use this is unscrew the cap. Okay. The first time when you purchase the machine, the machine will be in a locked position. You have to unlock it. Okay. The way to unlock it is very simple. Hold the device like this. Hold the red cap which you can see at the bottom and turn inwards. Okay. And turn it inwards. When you do that, a click sound will come. That means that your device is now unlocked and you can start using this device. This maneuver you have to do only once when you first time you purchase the machine, not every time. Okay. Now the machine is unlocked. I'll show you how to load the medicine which is inside this device only. Okay. Now the way to load the medicine is first twist this red cap outwards. Okay. And next, and twist it again inwards. You'll hear another click sound now. When you hear the click sound, it automatically means that the medicine has been loaded. Now once the loaded machine is there, the device is there, now how to inhale this medicine into your lungs is the key step. Now to inhale is first Sit in a relaxed position. Okay, shoulders should be relaxed. First, breathe out. Once you completely breathe out, put the device in your mouth and then breathe through the device like a deep breath all the way inside. Okay? And once you've taken a deep breath inside, hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds. Okay? The reason why you hold your breath is once the medicine has been taken inside your lungs, if you hold the breath, it will dissolve nicely in your lungs. Otherwise, if you breathe out quickly, the medicine also will come out. Okay, don't forget to hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds. That is one inhalation. It's also possible that your doctor must have told you to use 2 inhalations at a time, morning and night. So if you have to use the second inhalation, I will show you again. Once again, you have to load the medicine. How to load the medicine is twist the red cap outwards, and inwards. You hear a click sound. Inwards when you hear a click sound. Okay? The click sound means the medicine is loaded. Now, how to breathe? Breathe out first, then put the device inside your mouth and breathe in. Take a deep breath inside. Hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds. And that's it. So your inhalation is finished. Once you finish the inhalation, take plain drinking water, put it in your mouth, stop it in your throat, gargle the throat, rinse the mouth, and you spit out. Okay? So when you're using the device, you won't feel any taste or any smell. Okay? The medicine is made in such a way that you don't feel any of those. But then many people might get a doubt as to are they really getting the medicine or not. So the way to know that is there is a point called a dose counter on the device where there is a number, and in India we get 60 doses, so it starts from 60. But you need to remember that as you keep using the device and the medicine gets delivered, you will not see the number changing from 60 to 50 to 40, 30 in that way, but the numbers change slightly different here. What you will see is 60, the next number when you reach 40, that will be visible, and the next number when you reach 20, that number will be visible, and then 0. So it's not the way you normally expect that you will see from 60, one dose coming down and then the numbers will be visible here. The dose counter is not set in that way. It is 60, 40, 20 and then 0. Okay, so that's how the display of the dose counter numbering will look like. The number, as you can see, is written in white color, but once you see a red color appearing, that means that maybe around 10 doses are left, in which case you may have to go and get a new device again. So if you use regularly, morning once and night once, so one device will be finished in a month's time. Sometimes some patients do get confused when they have accidentally shake the device and they hear some sound, and some people get confused. The reason why that makes that sound is because there is a drying agent inside the device to keep the medicine safe and keep it protected. Okay, there's nothing else that the sound is due to. It is normal to have that sound which comes from a drying agent inside the device.